Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best Christmas scrapbooking kit you can get your hands on this holiday season. The 157-piece Christmas Scrapbook Kit by Nyodal. Let's start with the first impression. When you open the box, you're immediately welcomed by a vibrant explosion of red and green. The perfect color combination to capture the festive mood. It's like Christmas in a box. This isn't just a random assortment of stickers and paper. This is a carefully curated experience that blends charm, nostalgia, and creativity into one compact package. Inside, you'll find a total of 157 pieces thoughtfully put together. That includes an A6 grid journal, beautifully designed book cover, folding notes, envelopes, washi tapes, and a delightful variety of stickers. From pet and washi to paper types. There are decorative cards, memo papers, material sheets, and even metal bookmarks, all themed around Christmas and New Year. These aren't just fillers, they're high quality, precisely printed, and full of aesthetic value. Now let's talk about the journal itself. The A6 size makes it super portable. It's just 5.8 by 4.1 inches, which means it fits comfortably in your bag or even your coat pocket. It's built for daily use, great for jotting down your thoughts, doodling, creating mini photo collages, or capturing those fleeting December memories. The grid layout gives you structure without limiting your creativity, making it perfect for bullet journaling or scrapbooking on the go. The stickers are the real showstoppers here. You're not getting just a few designs repeated across pages. These are assorted, seasonal, and aesthetic, with everything from Christmas trees and ornaments to cozy winter scenes and festive quotes. The visuals are crisp, the colors are rich, and they instantly bring life to any page. Whether you're decorating your planner, creating a holiday card, or just adding flair to your gifts, these stickers will deliver. Build quality? Top-notch. The paper in the journal is smooth and tough, it holds ink well, resists bleeding, and even stands up to mild glue and paint if you're into mixed media. Everything from the tapes to the stickers feel durable, and you won't find flimsy, see-through sheets here. Another thing that stands out is the versatility of this kit. While it's clearly made with Christmas in mind, you can repurpose several elements for birthdays, winter journals, thank you notes, or even year-end reflections. It's a brilliant gift idea for teens, kids, or anyone who loves journaling and stationery. This isn't just a scrapbook kit, it's a doorway into festive storytelling. Whether you're new to scrapbooking or a seasoned journaler, this kit gives you everything you need to create beautiful, personal keepsakes. The sheer variety, design quality, and attention to detail make it an absolute winner. Unfortunately, at the time of this video, the product is currently unavailable on Amazon. But if you can get your hands on it when it restocks, do it. You'll be hard-pressed to find a more complete, charming, and holiday-spirited kit at this level of quality. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss out on our top picks for creative tools and holiday essentials. See you next time.